Hello, Canada!
What's up, guys? Another day, another adventure.
And guess what? Siya di ko di pupunta
Ano, dito kami sa Coquitlam, Magbabansan Lake. Daan muna ng PNT. What is it? We're fighting. No fighting, guys. What? Bawal mag-ano sa Bansen magluto. Kaya ano, bili kami ng lunch dito. Oy, Hot Wheels. You collect Hot Wheels?
That's not 5-5. Look, Daddy. Look, Daddy. There's many cherry blossom trees.
Oo nga, no? Galing ah.
4-5. Oh,
6-7.
on this order nila.
Duck order nyo?
Order nyo.
Parang nasa Hong Kong.
Mag-order din.
Okay, finish na. May ibang group. Sila Kate mag Korean supermarket. Kami diretso na ng Bansen. Let's go.
Then turn right.
Ito na yung papasokan ng Bansen Lake sa gubat. Bawal magluto. Okay, we're here.
There's a tent.
What? Is it good?
I don't care. I'm gonna go on the lake.
Nakaset up na kami ng tent dito. Ayan, mga ulam. Camping chairs. Ooh, nice weather. So sunny. Pero yung hangin medyo malamig. Yeah. Ganda ng ano, may suitcase ka pa. What's inside?
Takeaway.
Oh. Ano yan? Sandball. Is it good? Is it cold?
Yes.
Ice cold?
Very. It's cold, but I like cold, but it's just that it feels weird.
Parang semento putik ah. Okay, kain na. Anong pagkain ma?
Kain ka na, kain na. O yan o, dami o.
Barbecue?
Barbecue, may
From
chicken,
TNT.
soy chicken, may
Salmon,
tofu,
sushi.
may ano pa, chicken pa o.
Anong chicken yan? Ah, soy chicken?
Soy chicken. May
Ano
spare
yun
ribs.
sa ano? Pat? Sabaw?
Tututun, champurado.
Ano? Nigatas ka pa ma?
Ayan,
Ah, kompleto.
yes, may suka.
Oy, salmon, sushi, sashimi.
Sushi kasi yung name.
Mhm.
Ano na to?
Kimbap.
Kimbap. Kanina meron pang scallop na ganito kaso ubus na.
Ano na?
Scallop sushi.
Ah, scallop oh. Tsaka mais ni Guapi.
Sarap! Sarap, sarap.
Mais ni Guapi.
Best. That's the best.
Mais ni Guapi.
Balik ko ng kanin pala dito.
Baby, baby.
Baby, baby.
Hello.
Hi, say hi to the vlog, baby. Hi.
Hi, vlog.
Si Mami.
Ay,
Kain ka na madami ah.
oo nga. Tumataba na nga.
Bon voyage. Faster!
I try. I'll find this.
Faster!
You're doing well.
Going na. Good job. Good job, Jacob. Oh, go straight lang.
I can go straight. I can't be straight.
Hello, Canada!
Mahirap? Oo nga, mahirap.
Dami lag.
Oo. Wag na.
Yeah.
Going back na? Yeah, let's go back. Okay, round 2. Next ng pasahero, Emma and Kayla. Okay. You go in front or back? Okay. Dito doon tayo. Daming ano sa bundok, daming puno. Doon sana kami bababa kaso may tao. Wala nang ibang babaan. Dati bumababa kami banda doon eh. Kaso di namin mahanap yung babaan. Hoy! Umulan! Ay! Okay, next batch. The boys will go somewhere in the middle of the lake.
Okay. Follow me, ah.
Abby, do you have the phone? No. What? You have phone? No.
Let's go.
Stay together ah. Andun na yata yung mga ibang boys na kayak. Ayun sila oh. Nandun sa dulo.
100.
How is it? How was it?
It was fun.
Was fun?
Yeah. We just went over there to near that tree thing.
Oh.
Tapos we came back. Pero we floated a little bit, so it's chill lang.
Chill lang.
Sit down.
Ay Emma, nangingisay ka na ba?
Okay.
Okay.
Got it. Okay,
Oh, I'll bring this.
yeah. You and me, Jacob.
Yeah, we got it.
You get tired, Jacob? No.
We just chilled.
Oh Emma, let's go.
Floated a lot?
Daming tao.
Sprayed on you? A lot?
May mga Pinoy din. May Jollibee
So that
talaga.
that's her intention, no?
Are we done with the kayak na? Enough for the day? Okay, go na. Ayun na last na to no? Kayak, di na magkakayak.
Di na. Siguro.
Okay, let's pack up na. Nakayak. Do you like it, Emma? Mr. Beast? Yan. Sa'yo na lang daw yan.
Siya lang baby.
May bago ng pagkain.
It's good, right?
It's 4:43 p.m.
Dito ka, yan. Si Jacob, meet Daddy.
Bago umuwi, daan muna ng Mandy Tot Playground. Sila yan. Si Jacob naglalaro ng volleyball. May kalaro na siya. Good girl!
Oh, you run so fast. What?
Naglalakad. Practice. Daming kalaro
Ball where? You want that ball, that's not your ball.
Kumaba ka naman, iniwan ka ba dyan?
May unggoy oh! Say, hoo.
I can do that too.
Sige nga, do it. Go. Oh my gosh! Okay, let's go home! Oh, bilis ah!